ladies, gents, and mga ka-half and half. Welcome to our podcast. Again, my name is Che, and this is my Ulo friend Gian, and we are the Ulo Opinions. Alright, guys. We're just gonna give some Ulo opinion regarding yung news na kumakalat in the Philippines right now. I think it's yung cases regarding HIV, right? So we're just
Yes.
gonna, you know, lay out yung aming all opinion regarding that, and maybe give some, information more of my Ulo friend here. So my Ulo friend, you take it away.
Okay. Medyo na-jolly. Kanina lang
I know.
mainit yung dugo.
Ngayon medyo like seryoso tayo. Seryoso.
Muna kami guys, nagpahinga kami kasi pinainit ni yung ko yung ulo ko eh. Babalik na naman dun.
Ay, ano binalik?
Anyway, kasi yun nga, we want to try to educate. We are not experts guys ha, pero we are sharing the knowledge na nagkaroon kami after I personally had experience in testing.
Nagkaroon ka?
No, testing lang.
Okay.
Oo. Lagot ako. Gusto mong patayin ako ni ate din. So, ayun. Backstory lang. So, parang I was hired for one of the major, I was supposed to transfer there. Tapos, I did the medical and they are requiring HIV test dito sa hospital. So, anyway, ayun. There's a consent. So, they are requiring everyone, regardless of the gender, to take this test as a part of the pre-employment medical exam. Tapos, syempre, I had to agree. Ayun. So, nakausap ko yung nurse. Nung after ko nung sinasagutan ko yung consent. It's kinda awkward actually. Kasi tatanungin ka doon, may partner ka ba? Kailan yung last mo? Safe ba? Yung mga ganon. Imagine, kailangan kong i-fill out, sabihin na, kailan yung last toot? Kailan yung mga Tapos, ako, sobrang I'm not sure if it's really something na sinashare nila, pero matanong ako. So, sabi ko sa kanya, parang, tinatanong ko sa kanya yung how likely yung sabi niya, 99% of the cases na recorded are M2M. So, sabi niya, kung isa lang naman yung partner mo, there's no need to worry that much, pero mas maganda rin talaga na tetest ka. Tapos, you can get HIV sa 3 ways. Yung tooth fluids, baka kasi maano tayo. Tas needles and blood transfusion. So, ayun na. Nakakabahala, no? Kasi, parang ang nakita natin sa statistics is around 55 recorded cases per day ang meron here in the Philippines. These are recorded. These are coming from people na nagbigay ng consent to be tested. And it's quite, paano ba? Hindi lang siya shocking parang nakakabahala to know na majority na nagpa-positive are kabataan, teens, yung mga nasa college. I know right now, especially dito sa Philippines, ngayon nagiging very open na tayo sa mga ganyang bagay, yan, premarital tooth or sa same sex na ginagawang ganyan, which is fine. I mean, at the end of the day, supporter nga tayo niyan kasi love is love. Pero ang gusto ko lang sa mga mga nakikinig sa atin, especially if they are coming from the LGBT. I'm not saying na hindi nagkakaroon yung mga straight, pero majority kasi is coming from us sa LGBT. And sad to say, mas marami pa rin yung mga kasama nating gay, yan, mga M2M yung relationship. So, if sobrang active nyo, kasi I honestly know someone yun nga, na-share ko sa inyo a while ago na although he's not open sa family niya, parang he's very active outside kapag ka nasa labas siya and all. And up to the point that he's doing yung mga one night stand, ganyan. Ang akin lang is, if you wanna be active, that's fine. Again, your body, your choice. Bahala ka. Pero, please, as much as possible, do it safe. Maging safe tayo. There are protections naman that you can use. And you have to make sure na yung protection hindi compromise tayo, hindi yung butas-butas ganyan. Kasi sobrang hirap. I mean, it takes a lot of courage para i-recognize na you felt na meron ka na nun. 'Di ba? Tapos, gaano siya katagal ginagamot? Sobrang tagal niyang ginagamot. Hindi ko sure kung tama ako sa understanding ko na parang hindi siya nagiging totally gone ata, but more of parang nagiging asymptomatic. I'm not sure Please correct me if I'm wrong. Pero again, the fact na nagkakaroon ka means that you're practicing unsafe na tooth. And ang lungkot na kasi syempre if undetected, ganyan, wala ka man lang chance na i-correct or gamutin yung sarili mo. Imagine guys, just for pleasure, at risk yung buhay mo. Imagine yung mga taong iiwanan mo, yung family mo. And sobrang sakit lalo siguro if malalaman ng family mo na you died because of that. And ang sakit sa'yo, kung hindi ka mag-iingat, ang sakit sa'yo na iiwasan ka ng mga tao around you because they found out na meron kang ganon. And I'm not saying na na madali siyang iwasan at all. Pero you can if you want. 'Di ba? Kasi there are a lot of products that you can use para hindi ka mabigyan. And then yun lang, if you know na meron ka, please wag ka na mag-donate ng dugo, or kung meron kang symptoms na nararamdaman, wag ka na mag-donate ng dugo. And ayun nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, para may mga nababasa ako na talagang sinasadya nilang manghawa because nahawa sila nang hindi nila alam. Parang na-shock na lang sila after testing na meron na sila and they don't know kung sino sa mga nakaano nila na yung meron kasi hindi naman share yung information and talagang sinadya lang silang hawaan. So parang nagre-revenge sila sa mga tao na ini-spread nila lalo. And guys, wag ganon. I mean, yung kapag nalaman mo, natitreat siya.
Very unfair, no? Very unfair.
Oo, kasi ako kung kunwari, kasi ako, diba, may kapatid akong gay. And kung ganyan yung gagawin sa kanya, na idadamay lang siya. Ang sarap mo murahin, baka mapatay pa kita. Kasi anong ginawa? Anong ginawa sa'yo ng pamilya namin, diba? Parang, imagine mo yun, gaano ka kagalit sa mundo na gusto mo lahat ng taong mag-suffer.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, all you have to do is equip yourself with knowledge. Ano ba? Ano ba yung mga knowledge? Ano yung symptoms, diba? Para alam mo agad. And the best dyan is do regular testing. Kasi ang alam ko sa mga kahit sa barangay, alam ko, tinitreat siya. Pwede ka yatang magpa-check if I'm not mistaken. It's just you parang going out and ask for a test. It's free. Inaano na nga nila, it's free kasi nga tumataas yung numbers and the government is also alarmed siguro. That's why may mga ganito silang initiative. So, ayun, lalabas ka lang. You have to, parang maging matapang for monthly. I don't know kung every month ba yung advisable na pagpapatest, but you just have to do it diligently para lang maka-avoid ka. And, kung meron ka na nga, unfortunately meron ka na nga, is magamot. Kasi kapag dumating ka sa point na hindi na siya na matitreat, tapos naghasik ka pa ng lagim, oh my God, grabe. Sunog ka sa impyerno, my friend. Ka-half and half, kung sino ka man. Imagine yung ginawa mo, sobrang terrible. And, ayun talaga, kung ako talaga yun, magagalit talaga ako ng sobra sa'yo. And, I would be happy na sorry na nategpas ka na kung ganyan yung gagawin mo, dinamay mo yung kapatid ko. My God. So, ayun. So, guys, yun lang naman. Try to do your part. I mean, walang masama kung talagang sobrang gusto mo maging active, makikembular ka dyan kung kanin-kanino, every day, every night, as long as you get tested and you do try to protect yourself by using, condoms and kung ano pang other na pwede mong gawin. Kahit plastic, guys, kahit masakit, tiisin mo, wag lang maanuhan ikaw ng ng
Plastic.
yung plastic ng ice
Putik
candy.
ka. Like, plastic na ice candy na. Hindi mo lang yung
Makakasya na
yelo.
dun. Hindi, ang sakit na mas malaki kasi tutupian pa. Pero ayun,
Bagas pang.
kidding aside, kidding aside, ayun yung opinion ko doon. And let's try to take this seriously kasi it's very alarming na, guys. And ayan, papasa ko na yung mic sa aking half brother kasi feeling ko marami itong gustong sabihin.
Pero wala naman.
Gagano siya kanina.
Grabe ka.
Ito na ako.
Wala naman. Grabe to. I think ako wala. Agree lang ako sa'yo. Agree lang.
Ka.
Well, for me naman, I haven't, yung test, obviously, walang ganon. Loyal to eh. Joke lang. Loyal.
Ay.
May hindi pa nga nare-release na cheating. Loyal. Anyway, well, for me, it's just nakakalungkot, right? Nakakalungkot na, like what you said earlier, mostly na nakaka-experience or yung mga nagaganto is yung mga kabataan, like, like younger than us na talagang nasa mga 18 years old, right? Well, don't get me wrong, exploring is fun, right? Like, mag-explore ka, walang problema. But like what my Ulo friend said here na let's all be careful, right? Dapat maging tayo, like yung vigilant, diba, na alam mo yun, like dapat talagang nag-iingat tayo sa lahat ng bagay, right? Not because like, ang masaya to, ganyan, alam mo yun na, sometimes
Chalap,
it's just, chalap-chalap diba? Like, yung pakasasaka na, tapos hirap-hirap later, right? So, I mean, alam mo yun, again, exploring is fun, nothing's wrong with that, pero, I think, let's all be, like, smart enough naman na parang, like let's be safe, right? And yun lang yung like I think the problem sometimes you would diba na parang mas okay pa before kahit na like like LGBT is not that welcome, right? But then I think even before naman AIDS been there, like HIV's been there, right?
It's just that si Freddy.
Yeah.
Si Freddie Mercury, di ba? Doon nga
it's just that like kasi ngayon mas exposed na.
Mas open kasi nga.
Yes, ngayon. Like yun nga na, alam mo yun na, kaya talagang the more na ngayon na yung mga may gantong, like news. Pero, yeah, for me, I have no experience naman. It's just really more of, like no experience of like no friends na may ganon or like testing, mga ganon naman. But yeah, it's just sad na yung sinabi mo na other people are doing it to get revenge, which is not really fair. Kasi syempre like dapat ang nafe-feel mo like bakit ka magkakalat like alam mo yun di kagaya ka na rin nila, right? Like na nagbibiktima ka ng mga wala ring alam. So, alam mo yun, ikaw na, dapat alam mo yung feeling na nabiktima ng walang alam. So, instead of like, nanggaganti ka, alam mo yun, you're spreading it too. So, wala, you're just one of them. Diba? So yun, like, kasi dito, uso din yan I'm not sure if it's AIDS, but like, there's been some news na, kasi yung mga addict, so dito kasi ewan ko, like government
kasi
supports
parang dyan yung
needle,
mga
needle, government supports mga addict dito, alam mo yun. Like so they are like they have needle, tapos ang ginagawa nila sometimes yung mga needle nila like yung pinapasok nila sa yung dugo nila or like pinapahid nila sa mga toilet paper. So, kapag magpa-public washroom ka, like, alam mo yun, sometimes they leave it there and then mapopoke ka and then meron palang sakit. So, you'll get it, right? So, and hindi ko rin magets bakit may mga ganong klaseng tao, right? I mean, siguro yung mga ganon, wala na lang yun sa tamang pag-iisip. But then yung iba, siguro sobrang bitter na lang din na, yun nga, like what you said, nagkaroon ako, dapat meron ka rin. Yung mga ganon. Kaya ako, like yung mga kabataan, let's just be more, alam mo yun, be more careful. I know, you know, like, masaya, ganyan, kasi ganito, ganyan, you get to know, ganito. But then, isipin natin na, alam mo yun, mas masaya, like, parang being with someone na, alam mo yun, na kayong dalawa lang, kesa sa papalit-palit ka ng partner. Nakukuha mo lang yan ng panandaliang saya, but then, alam mo yun, like, it's not like a lifetime happiness. So, for me, that's all. Just be careful and be safe and you know, just be more aware and yun nga, like you know, like be observant, right? Kilalanin mo muna, or you know, wag agad-agad bibigay if you really want it, right? If that what makes you happy, it's okay. Pero again, just try to be safe. So, yun lang naman yung sa akin. And yeah, it's just nakakalungkot, right, na it's like happening pa with the LGBT community.
Mm-mm.
So, yeah, anything to add?
Okay na ako.
Medyo kalmado na. Anyway, yeah, so my ulo friend, wala ka nang i-add. Again,
good.
sa mga kapwa LGBT natin dyan, you know, mag-explore lang kayo, be happy, be safe. You know,
Stay safe.
yes, stay safe, right? Use protection if, you know, you can't avoid it, but use protection.
And then, ako, ito pa, baka kasi yung mga magagamit nilang condom, butas, I personally think na mag-bring kayo ng sarili nyo.
Mhm.
Especially if talagang nandun kayo sa mga one night stand na yan. At least alam mong safe ka.
Yeah.
So, ayun. And make sure na ginagamit. Baka mamaya, akala mo, ginamit, tapos tinanggal pala. My
Mhm.
God. Kailangan
Yeah.
mo talagang mag-observant.
May mga masasama
Mm.
talagang elemento, hindi ko rin magets kung bakit.
Mm-mm.
But alam mo yun, like, masaya sila na nakakahawa sila ng iba.
Mm-mm.
So, you know, if as much as possible, stay away from like mga gantong path, you know. Just find someone na, alam mo yun, na like just the
Mm-mm.
two of you guys, and you know, like, be in love with each other, kasa like, yun nga, kasa yung mag-explore ka and then just for fun. I mean,
Mm-mm.
again, you're welcome to do that, but just try to really be safe and be observant. And yes, that's all our, you know, all opinion, and I hope na you guys, like, you know, learn something and may napulot
Yeah.
naman kayo, and sana, like, it will make you realize, di ba, na masarap mabuhay, masarap ang
Mhm.
buhay, mahalaga ang mabuhay, and alam mo yun, like, you know, like, life is good, you know. So that's all. I don't think my Ulo friend is you know, like, has anything to say pa. Well, thank you so much, guys. Again, this is Che, and this is my Ulo friend Gian, and we are the Ulo Opinions. Peace out, signing out, be safe.